My name is Binil. I lead engineering function here at Warmly. I joined in January of 2025, so it's been over 6 months now. We use TypeScript with Node. Database is Postgres. Then the usual things like Redis, Kafka, Mongo, Elastic. And then we use foundational models, of course, for the AI and React in the front end. We use OpenAI's models and we're just starting to play with Anthropic. When we started working on like a newer generation of the product, we wanted to move very fast. So we figured many things that we had worked out in the existing code base was not optimal for AI. Like AI likes it in a certain way. So to facilitate that, we set it up on a new code base. We use like something called a strangler pattern. In some sense, the new system like folds around the existing one and pulls out functionality from it. So the new one is like, very AI native. And AI native in that sense is that it is kind of laid out and the technology choices are made such a way that AI agents can code on it. It's mostly like people assisted by agents. That's how I like to think about it. But we use different tools like Cursor, of course, is very popular. We use Claude Code, the newer one from Amazon we are trying out. And we use one called CodeGen. Each of them have like different UXs. Cursor is like an IDE. Cloud Code is like a terminal-based workflow. And CodeGen has like a very conversational workflow. I think the way we talk to the computer fundamentally is changing. In some sense, English is becoming like a programming language of sorts. But English is very ambiguous. I believe that in the future, we will instruct the computer in some kind of specification language, which allows people to be at a higher level of abstraction. This is nothing new. Ever since computer programming, we would initially put vowels. That's how the programming worked. Then the punch cards and the assembly language and higher level languages. Languages like Prolog. So this is just another step in the evolution, but a very big step. The abruptness of it is the most interesting part because previous evolutions felt like slower and building up to something. This one felt very abrupt in a space of 2 years. I feel very blessed to be alive and being in this profession at this juncture is probably like one of the most exciting times to be a programmer.